Okay, put it in the cup here.
Oh.
You got sticky fingers or what?
Daddy.
No, the first one was 24, this one was 26. Okay, put it in there.
And you want like 14, don't you?
Yeah, you want 15, 14, 15.
Can you test beans with that too?
Yeah, you can. Okay, let's
that
measure
has
it.
that
Let's
on
weigh
it.
it. Hold on. Okay, we need a little more. Need a little more. Grab a handful, Sterling. Okay.
I can do the bottom part.
Yeah, okay. That's right.
Good helper.
It's empty, and then we pour it in. Now we're around. Hold on, not yet, Bear. 25 and a half, 25 and 3/4. Almost 26. It's this outside line here.
Push it.
Another couple
Okay.
weeks.
Oh my god.
Are you hoping, Daddy?
They're like icing.
It looks like ice cream.
Are you putting in the ice cream bucket?
Man, that's coming off there hard. It's gonna be more representative of what we got.
Hey, Mommy, may want to corn.
Actually, it doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's looking at it.
That's Daddy's corn, isn't it?
This one's gonna be pretty wet.
So you think this ours will be more that size?
Most of them are.
Mine only double down.
Yep. Daddy's gonna take the corn off and put it in the bucket
Why?
because he's gonna test it and see how wet it is. And if it's dry enough, then we can get the combine going.
Surprisingly, the leaves fell off the beans today. Changed a lot. Ooh, that feels wet.
Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. It's Saturday morning. We are actually sitting in the truck while Joseph is out doing fence. This will be probably our last rotation on our rotational grazing plan.
You, Mommy.
Okay. You can see each other. Anyways, it's right here, buddy. So he's just kind of adding 1 or 2 fences so we can put them back on like one of the first paddocks we had them on. Actually, I lied. Joseph said that we're gonna actually put them on the back part that we had been kind of keeping them off of just so the grass could kind of recover because they tend to eat it down really quick.
Over there.
Okay, so this is the part here that we've been keeping them off of. We're not gonna put them on here because this is kind of where our where the truck comes through for the bin for harvest. So we'll just kind of fence off this area by the tree line, and then so hopefully we won't have to do too much fence. As you can see, our corn's getting close. Our beans are probably ready, but then we got some little showers here yesterday and currently, so haven't gotten the field yet, but pretty ready to, I think. As you can tell though, like all the corn has dropped.
Hey, Mommy,
You want corn? Joseph, when you tested the corn the other day, oh wait, I have that.
24, 26%, something like that.
And we went around 14 or 15. So it'll be still probably a couple weeks at that.
Sorry, did you need that down?
No, it's fine. What are you doing there, Mr. Redneck?
My water winder.
So you're taking this fence down.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick this wire up and we'll pull these posts and move them back over there.
Okay.
Okay, shut this off. This is annoying me.
I was saying is we may end up putting cows on some of the stalks here, so they won't solely be on the lot, which I think will help. A lot of times when you have... trying the video here. You're sitting as close to me as you can. So I told you guys that Joseph was going to just add fence down there, but he is, like you said, he's gonna roll this pair up and then use it going the other way, basically. That's what he's doing with the drill there. And you can buy like an attachment to put on the back of your four-wheeler or Kubota or whatever that basically helps you wind your wire back up and put on the spool. This is just the redneck way of us doing it. It's basically the same concept, but it's more of a handheld option. It works the same. Probably works a little better, honestly, but you just have to keep the wire tight.
You're welcome.
You see these indents here?
A little bit. A little bit.
That corn is for animals, it's not for people to eat.
Why?
Because that's just how it is.